She walks slowly into the kitchen. She walks slowly into the kitchen. The kitchen looks clean and quiet. The kitchen looks clean and quiet.
I open the window for fresh air. I open the window for fresh air.
The old woman washes her hands carefully. The old woman washes her hands carefully. She takes vegetables from the basket. She takes vegetables from the basket. The carrots look fresh and bright. The carrots look fresh and bright. I put the vegetables on the table. I put the vegetables on the table. A small knife lies next to the plate. A small knife lies next to the plate. The old woman cuts the carrots into pieces. The knife moves slowly and safely. The knife moves slowly and safely. The water removes the dirt quickly.
The water removes the dirt quickly.
The vegetables become clean and ready. The vegetables become clean and ready. The old woman turns on the stove. The fire burns gently under the pot. The fire burns gently under the pot. I add water into the pot slowly. I add water into the pot slowly. The soup starts to heat up. The soup starts to heat up. A nice smell fills the kitchen. A nice smell fills the kitchen. The spoon moves around the pot. The spoon moves around the pot. The old woman adds some salt carefully. The old woman adds some salt carefully. I taste the soup with a small spoon. I taste the soup with a small spoon. The flavor feels warm and delicious. The flavor feels warm and delicious. The old woman puts food on the plates.
The old woman puts food on the plates.
The plates sit neatly on the table. The plates sit neatly on the table. I bring the bowls to the dining table. I bring the bowls to the dining table. The food looks simple but tasty. The food looks simple but tasty. The kitchen smells very good now. The kitchen smells very good now. The water runs over the plates. The water runs over the plates. I clean the table with a cloth. I clean the table with a cloth. The sink looks full of bubbles. The sink looks full of bubbles. She wipes the kitchen counter carefully. She wipes the kitchen counter carefully. The counter looks shiny and clean. The counter looks shiny and clean. I sweep the floor gently. I sweep the floor gently. The dust disappears quickly. The dust disappears quickly. The kitchen becomes tidy again. The kitchen becomes tidy again. The old woman sits down for a moment. The old woman sits down for a moment. She drinks a cup of warm tea. She drinks a cup of warm tea.
I sit quietly near the window. I sit quietly near the window.
The air feels fresh and calm. The air feels fresh and calm. The room becomes peaceful and quiet. The room becomes peaceful and quiet. Everything stays in the right place. Everything stays in the right place. I turn off the light slowly. The kitchen looks clean and ready. The kitchen looks clean and ready. I feel so happy and relaxed. I feel so happy and relaxed. The evening comes quietly into the house. The evening comes quietly into the house. The old woman returns to the kitchen again. The old woman returns to the kitchen again. I turn on the light above the table. I turn on the light above the table. The kitchen becomes warm and bright. A soft sound comes from the clock. A soft sound comes from the clock. The old woman takes fresh vegetables. The old woman takes the fresh vegetables from the fridge. The cabbage looks green and healthy. I place the ingredients on the counter. I place the ingredients on the counter. A wooden board lies near the sink. A wooden board lies near the sink. The knife feels sharp and ready. The knife feels sharp and ready. The old woman cuts the meat into small pieces. The old woman cuts the meat into small pieces. The pieces fall gently onto the plate. The pieces fall gently onto the plate. I heat oil in a small pan. I heat oil in a small pan. The oil becomes hot very quickly. The oil becomes hot very quickly. A light sound comes from the pan. A light sound comes from the pan. The old woman puts the meat into the pan. The meat changes color slowly. The meat changes color slowly. I add some vegetables into the pan. I add some vegetables into the pan. The smell becomes stronger and richer. The smell becomes stronger and richer. The food cooks evenly in the heat. The food cooks evenly in the heat. She adds garlic and pepper to the dish. She adds garlic and pepper to the dish. The spices create a nice smell. The spices create a nice smell. I mix everything with a wooden spoon. I mix everything with a wooden spoon. The food looks colorful and fresh. The food looks colorful and fresh. The taste becomes better and better. The taste becomes better and better. The old woman places the food on clean plates. The old woman places the food on clean plates. The plates stay warm on the table. The plates stay warm on the table. I prepare chopsticks and spoons. I prepare chopsticks and spoons. The dinner looks simple but delicious. The kitchen feels full of life again. The kitchen feels full of life again. The old woman carries the dishes to the sink. The old woman carries the dishes to the sink. The water washes away the oil quickly. The water washes away the oil quickly. I clean the pan with care. I clean the pan with care. The pan becomes shiny again. The sink looks neat and empty. The sink looks neat and empty. She dries the dishes with a towel. She dries the dishes with a towel. The dishes go back to the shelf. The dishes go back to the shelf. I wipe the stove carefully. I wipe the stove carefully. The floor feels smooth and fresh. The floor feels smooth and fresh. The old woman checks everything one last time. The old woman checks everything one last time. The light shines softly in the room. The light shines softly in the room. I close the window slowly. The night air becomes cooler. The night air becomes cooler. The kitchen stays quiet and clean. The kitchen stays quiet and clean. I feel relaxed after the work. The house becomes calm and silent. The house becomes calm and silent. The day ends with a simple happiness. The day ends with a simple happiness.